Hello! Today we are just outside Stockholm at something called Mörby Slottsruin, Mörby Castle Ruin. About 1 hour's drive north of Stockholm by the west shore of the Skedviken Lake in Fastena, we find this old ruin, what used to be Mörby Castle. Mörby was back in the 1380s a wooden manor house, but during the 1450s the first stone house was built that now still sits in the northern part of the ruin. Most of what remains today was built back in the 1550s when the castle transformed into a Renaissance castle. Superstitious tongues whispered that the devil himself was involved in the construction, but I think we should take that with a large grain of salt. And it's closed. We have to send up a drone to get a better view of the building. The castle was at its biggest during the 1650s, but was abandoned towards the end of that century. In a fire in 1740, the castle was completely destroyed, and what we can see today sitting on a hill opposite Fastena Church is all that remains. Today, the ghostly castle ruin is a sanctuary for protected bats and is closed to the public. There are so many ghost stories about this place. Let me go through them one by one. Number 5. The Black Lady. Dressed in black and a victim of bad romance, she roams the castle, trying to find her love. Number 4. The Blue Maiden. She can be seen in the watchtower wearing a blue gown and a regretful facial expression. She was supposedly an oriental princess who was abducted to the castle by the knight Myre. Later, he killed the princess in an act of jealousy. Because of his crime, he became so regretful he went into a monastery and became a monk. Number 3. The Monk. This is the monk Myre, who went into the monastery, but he is still to find his peace. The monk has been seen roaming around the castle. Number 2. The White Lady. A beautiful maiden in the castle tried to elope with a local musician. They were discovered, and in the escape, the musician drowned in a nearby swamp. On Thursday evenings, the White Lady can be seen roaming the castle. Number 1. The Devil himself. He can appear as a big black dog, and if you are unfortunate to see this dog, you will become very ill. Thank you everyone so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.